In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana data. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every step, ensuring you can easily manage and manipulate your project information outside of Asana. Let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll want to log into your Asana account, fire up your preferred web browser, and navigate over to the Asana login page. Enter your credentials, and you'll soon find yourself on the Asana homepage, which serves as a centralized hub for all your projects and tasks. It's a great place to get an overview of everything you're working on. Now that you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the specific project whose data you want to export. This might sound daunting if you're involved in multiple projects, but rest assured, it's quite simple. Just browse through your projects list until you find the one you're interested in. Click on it to open the project. Upon opening your selected project, shift your gaze to the top of the project page. There, you should notice a drop-down menu marked as Actions. This menu is your gateway to various options, so go ahead and give it a click to expose the list of possibilities you have at your disposal. Amongst these options, the one we're interested in is labeled Sync Export. Click on this, and you'll be presented with several formats to choose from for your data export. For most users, the CSV file format tends to be the most versatile choice. It's particularly handy if you intend to further analyze or manipulate the data using tools like Excel. CSV is a widely accepted format, renowned for its ease of use when restructuring data. Once you've opted for the CSV format, Asana will start the process of generating your file. The platform's efficiency means this usually doesn't take long, and you'll be notified once your file is ready to download. So, how do you save this generated file? It's simple. When you receive the notification that your file is prepared, look for and click on the download option that pops up. This action will save the file right to your computer, typically landing in your default Downloads folder. And there it is. You've successfully exported your Asana project data. From here, you're free to open the CSV file in your chosen data analysis tool to dig deeper into your project details, exploring and organizing them in whatever way suits your needs. I truly hope this tutorial has proven helpful and easy to follow. Whether you're managing tasks, analyzing project timelines, or reporting progress, mastering the export of Asana data is an invaluable skill. And remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions during the process, feel free to pause and replay sections of this video as needed. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the very best with all your projects.